Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Superintendent of Police Jongka East Castle District upa Vivek Ïong ulaong baka jingithu utu Khynnah khalaisnam baka dan ka Scorpio Rong Ïong kabayang hajan hakapor bajar nga I hybrid insapiraling da maunai ula phla ki pulit baka daitang kanya Thaw Jong ban pun kumar jingmut igi babun Henry kamsyam la don satya kata ka Scorpio Rong Ïong USP ulayathu bahadin ba utaw Khynnah ubutut iladi bat komtan lang I hybrid insapira ibalahap hapoong ulakiyo latieng ba ulaban ya kamet jong I da umau bat uphat krano kalkum ka post mortem report USP ulaong baka daw ka jingyap jong I hybrid insapira kadina ka daw ka jingam jelop bat dan dak AA ka bapan I ba isya penmensaw ni sya lias niu AA ya kamet bat kapor jong ka jingyap ru kabatay baka day hakatuhi kasengi ba ija na yeng USP ulay turu baki dan kidak mong hakakajat jong utu Khynnah ya kabaka kajat jong kamong hakapor babutut hanray hakapor balik iwat ya insapira uru ule menle kumbalik iwat lang hanray uklem ya hok ya ka kabajia USP uloong bamenta ki pulit kintoket banyak bha banlap lakadi kajing le khanang jong ne kadai shisha babutut kumbaw yathu kajing toket ka banyak kadang ya.
He was produced before the Child Welfare Committee and examined thoroughly, where he had admitted that on that particular day he had taken that girl child over the wall and taken her through the beaten path, which I think most of you all have seen, and gone to that construction site. According to him, since his feet was drenched with mud, he washed his feet in that there's a cavity or a hollow between the wall and the building and the retaining wall, and that day the water was full. According to him, he had slipped and the girl was close to him. He had pulled the girl along, dragged her while slipping, for which he has injury marks on his feet, and the girl drowned. Out of panic and out of confusion, he placed a stone on the body of the girl child and went home straight. After some time, he came along with his mother to the girl's house, and he found all the relatives of and the parents of the girl child looking for her. While SIT examined him yesterday, it is a fact, and according to him, that he had actually just concocted the black Scorpio without number plate and black men and the masked men, as he had panicked and wanted a distraction. The post-mortem report was received today. The post-mortem report says death due to drowning. There is no antemortem injuries. There is no sexual assault, and the death was 24 to 36 hours from the time post-mortem was done. So that indicates that the death happened in that place, not in any other place. And he was sent to the juvenile home yesterday for observation. Today, thorough medical examination and several medical tests has been done on this boy. He has been produced before the Juvenile Justice Board, and SIT is in the third day of the investigation. We are yet to investigate further on the claims of this child, of whether it was accidental or otherwise. So this is all what I can say at this till this juncture. The child never disclosed this fact to anybody. In fact, the distraction of the black Scorpio and masked men just to distract everybody. He had kept this away from everybody. And in fact, he was with the search party also.